I'm Darryl.
And I'm Renee.
Welcome to R&DW Adventures, where today we're back at the Illinois Railroad Museum for their Diesel Days 2025.
Well, this trip to IRM was much different than I expected. Diesel Days is really about watching the historic diesel locomotives in action. It was very cool.
The nice thing for most people who come out here is they're doing train rides every 20 minutes, and you'll have different types of trains that you can ride. Including the Nebraska Zephyr, which was the one we rode, but that's a little too dark that we couldn't get any photos on there.
Very cool nonetheless. I wanted to ride on the caboose train. It was a train of all caboose. Anyway, it was a whole train of those, but it's kind of hot and they weren't air conditioned and there was a lot of people. So we opted not to actually go on it.
Well, we're here Sunday when we got a little bit rained out, so not quite the full day. We didn't get to do as much as we wanted to do. But if you want to pay a little extra, you can actually get your hands on the throttle. That's going to wrap up our trip. Make sure to check out the other stuff we do on the channel by hitting the channel icon. Then over on the other corner, we're going to put a playlist of the other attraction stuff that you might enjoy as well.